Hello everyone, today we're talking about one-step algebra. Now, although this is the most basic form of when we're learning algebra, but when we talk to students in the grade 11 and 12 levels, there are times when they make silly errors and they forget the rules of how to do it. So first of all, let's go over the rules. Now, this is one-step algebra, which means that you can complete to find the answer in one step. So here are the rules. Number one, make sure you guys read the question. Now read it out loud so then you can hear yourself. Is it plus? Is it minus? Is it multiply or divide? Number two, do the opposite to get rid of that item. Okay, so let's practice and let's see if we can do this. So number one here says solve for x. Now let's read out loud. Number one says x plus 7 equals to 30. Now my goal is to get to x by itself, so I need to get rid of the plus 7. So if I say plus 7, then do the opposite. So minus 7 from both sides. So we're going to minus 7 from both sides. And once we do that, the 7s are now gone. So we just get x equaling to 30 minus 7, which gives us the answer of 23. Question number two, let's read it out loud. A lot of people call this 3x equals to 18. But again, this doesn't tell us what operation is being used. So instead, we should note that when it's just 3 and x, it is multiplying between. So we need to say 3 times x equals to 18. I want x by itself, so to get rid of the 3, I said times, so I need to do the opposite. So I go divided by 3 on both sides. Now it's important to show your work to show that it's balanced still. So now the point of dividing by 3 was to get rid of the 3. So we just get x equaling to 18 over 3, or 18 divided by 3. This means the same thing. Anyways, you will always get the answer of 6. Our last example here says x over 2 equal to 5. Now, over doesn't mean very much in terms of operations, so make sure you know that over means the same thing as divide. So read this as x divided by 2 equal to 5. So we said divide, so we do the opposite, so we do times. We do dot 2, dot 2. We do dot instead of times, like the x, because we have x as a variable here. So we don't want to confuse ourselves with notation. So make sure you go dot 2, which means multiply. This cancels the division by 2, so we just get x equaling to 5 times 2, which is 10. All right, so I hope you are now fully aware how to do one-step algebra. Take a look at a video over here about two-step algebra and a video over here for multiple-step algebra if you struggle with these types of questions. And I'll see you in the next one.